अहो कशी सिद्ध होणार सांगा. तुमचं एकदा 24 तास उलटून गेल्यानंतर तुमचं शरीरात अल्कोहोल नील होते. हा मग तेव्हा तुम्ही काय करणार सांगा.
How would we now know whether he consumed alcohol or not? There's been a delay of over 50 hours.
त्याच्याकडे पैसा आहे, तो सगळीकडे दाबू शकतो.
त्याला माहिती आहे बाजूला केलंय तरी सुद्धा त्याने त्याच्या अंगावरती गाडी घातली तर हत्येचा सुद्धा गुन्हा ऍक्ट आहे कलम ते लावलं पाहिजे का.
ऐका, त्यांनी नुसती गाडी नाही चढवली, तिला कमीत कमीत सीजी हाऊस ते सी लिंक पर्यंत घसटत नेली. आता तुम्ही सांगा, एखाद्या आपण व्यक्तीला आपण गाडीने घसटवतो, तुला समजते ना काय गाडी तुझी चालत का नाही. हा मग तिथे तू थांबायला पाहिजे.
He did not just hit us, but he dragged my wife for kilometers together. How is it possible that he did not know what was happening? He should have stopped the car.
तो अभी तक उसका ट्रेसेस मिल पाएगा या नहीं, ये बड़ा प्रश्न आप उठा रहे हैं, क्या कहेंगे.
अभी देखो कैसा है, अभी 3 दिन वो कहा था. हाँ पुलिस लोगों को 3 दिन नहीं मिल रहा है. अगर गरीब आदमी अगर रहता तो उसको 24 घंटे के अंदर पकड़ के जेल में डालते थे. वो अमीर लड़का है, वो कैसे मिलेगा. उसको किसने गायब किया, इसके पीछे राज क्या है, कौन बोलने वाला है उसको.
कहीं ना कहीं ये कहा जा रहा है कि उसने रेड बुल पिया था. आप कह रहे हैं कि बार में जाके कोई रेड बुल क्यों पिएगा.
अगर बार में रेड बुल पीने के लिए जाएगा तो मूर्ख है क्या वो. हाँ बार में क्या रेड बुल पीने के लिए जाते हैं क्या लोग. हाँ उधर 18,000 बिल क्या रेड बुल का होता है, किसका होता है. 18,000 बिल रेड बुल पीने का होता है क्या.
क्या आप समाधान है. अभी 3 दिन बाद अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है. मुंबई पुलिस 10 या 11 टीमें बनाकर फाइनली अरेस्ट हुआ है. क्या आप उसके लिए सेटिस्फाइड है.
कैसे सेटिस्फाइड रहेगा बताओ ना. 3 दिन लगा, 3 दिन लगा. ये अरेस्ट हुआ नहीं है, वो किया है और इधर दिखा रहा है अरेस्ट हुआ है. बताओ ना, अगर 3 दिन पहले अरेस्ट होता ना, 24 घंटे में अरेस्ट होता, उसको अरेस्ट हुआ वो बोलता है.
कहीं ना कहीं उनके पिताजी जो थे, उनका हाथ था उसके भगाने के लिए. पिताजी का हाथ था. पूरे परिवार कहीं ना कहीं ये कोशिश कर रहे थे कि उसे भगाया जाए. वो मिल नहीं पाए पुलिस को, लेकिन आखिरकार मिला है. जो पूरी कॉन्स्पिरेसी कैसे देखते हैं.
अभी जैसे कि देखो, पिताजी उसको जामीन मिल गई. हाँ पिताजी को जामीन मिलने के बाद तुरंत कैसे लड़का मिलता है, इसका राज क्या है. पिताजी को जामीन सवेरे मिल गया, अभी दोपहर को लड़का मिल गया, अब तुरंत कैसे मिल रहा है लड़का.
सर आपकी वाइफ की जान बचाई जा सकती थी अगर समय पे ब्रेक मारा जाता.
उसी टाइम ब्रेक मारा था वो. मेरा वाइफ के हाथ पे सिर्फ चक्का था. वाइफ चिल्ला रही थी पीछे लो पीछे लो, जोर जोर से उसको गाली दे रही थी, तभी वो अच्छी थी. अगर उसी टाइम उसने पीछे लिया होता तो मेरी वाइफ बच जाती थी.
अभी क्या मांग करते हैं. ऐसे
उसका फांसी का मांग कर रहा है, फांसी का.
असेंबली में ये मुद्दा उठा था, वहाँ कहा जा रहा था आपको कोई सहायता मिली है, कोई राशि दी गई है सीएम द्वारा या प्रशासन द्वारा.
एक भी आदमी ने हमको कॉल नहीं किया, ना कुछ सहायता मिली ना कुछ नहीं मिला.
क्या मांग करते हैं आप.
हम कुछ नहीं मांगते, हमको एक ही मालूम है कि उसको फांसी होना मांगता है. अगर फांसी नहीं हुई तो आज जो मेरे साथ हुआ है दूसरे के साथ भी हो सकता है. कोई गरीब आदमी को ये नहीं है. गरीब आदमी ऐसा ही मरेगा. अगर प्रशासन ऐसे ही उनके पीछे रहेगा तो गरीब आदमी मरेगा, कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
So definitely, you can clearly see exclusively he was speaking to Times Network. He mentions only one demand, that the accused, prime accused Mihir Shah should be hanged till death. And this is how an entire conspiracy, because he still believes that he was under the influence of alcohol. 3 days have been passed. Now who will, any blood report or any blood test can, identify whether there was traces of alcohol or not. There are several important questions being raised by the victim out here, and that's the reason, he is demanding for a strict action. And most importantly, none of the government officials or any person from the government department has came here to visit him for any sort of financial assistance or anything in this regard. The same issue was also raised in the Maharashtra Assembly today. Back to you.
As far as the issue being raised in Maharashtra Assembly is concerned, Kaveri's husband, Kaveri, who was killed by Mihir Shah, Kaveri's husband says nobody called us up. No, not a single person from the current establishment got in touch with us. Arunil is also with us on the broadcast. Arunil, very, very important questions there asked by the victim's husband, who says he was missing for 3 days. We don't know where he was. And now, of course, it's impossible to trace alcohol. We would never know whether he consumed alcohol or not. Another thing that he's saying, he says, Had this happened within 24 hours, he would have called it an arrest. He's today calling it managed. He's saying this is staged managed. This is not an arrest.
Well, this was Pradeep Nakwa, the husband of deceased Kaveri Nakwa, the victim in the case. Pradeep Nakwa basically asking some pertinent questions over here, asking that he basically is also smelling conspiracy in this, saying that there was an attempt to hide the main accused so that the concerned hours pass. After 3 days of arrest, alcohol content in the body cannot be traced via any blood test, and because of that only Mihir Shah had gone absconding. These are the claims and accusations from Pradeep Nakwa, the husband of Kaveri Nakwa, also saying that this was purposely been done in a way to ensure that the sentencing that has been issued to Mihir Shah, that is less because the alcohol will not be traceable now. Also pointing towards the political influence of his father, Mr. Rajesh Shah, basically who belongs to CM Shinde Shiv Sena parties. Making these strong allegations was Pradeep Nakwa, basically saying that when he actually dashed into our motorcycle, that time my wife was alive. Mihir Shah basically purposely drove his car at a very high speed, dragging my wife for around 2 kilometers, and that is what has caused the death of my wife. He's also asked for extremely stringent punishment from the Maharashtra government, and also highlighted the fact that nobody from the Shinde Sarkar, be it from the BJP, be it from
He's also saying in that conversation, and every single time that questions are being posed, Pradeep Nakwa, wife of deceased Kaveri, constantly saying that she was alive when her hand came under the wheel of the car. Had Mihir stopped right there, she could have been saved, but he dragged her 4 kilometers together. That led to her death. Also, there are reports coming in, Arunil, that Mihir's mother and sister have been taken into custody as well.
Well, they have been detained. That is what we understand from our sources from the Mumbai police. Because they had gone absconding, can be considered as one of the witnesses in the case, or the police also suspects that the father may have helped Mihir Shah in this, and that is why the arrest of the father had taken place. However, the mother and the sister were not traceable to the Mumbai police. The police basically was suspecting that the mother and the sister knew about the whereabouts of Mihir Shah, and they were right. Basically, all three of them were traced by the Mumbai police from Virar, which is around 30 kilometers from the Mumbai city, hiding in a flat. Mihir Shah has been arrested, whereas his sister and his mother have been detained. Now, whether they will be considered as witnesses in the case.
Wife and daughter, all three were in the same place. How is it that the father had no clue about their hideout, no information of their whereabouts? Those are the questions that will be posed now to Mr. Rajesh Shah. Arunil, thank you for getting us the details. For the moment, a quick break. Massive Times Now news break. Impact: Mihir Shah, the killer of Kaveri, has finally been arrested.